Quartz watches. They're the workhorses of the watch world. Accurate, affordable, and widely available, they've earned their place on our wrists. But even these seemingly simple timekeepers can throw a wrench in your day with a dead battery or a foggy face. Fear not, fellow watch enthusiast, for many common quartz watch woes can be tackled with a bit of DIY spirit. Before you toss that misbehaving timepiece in a drawer, let's explore some troubleshooting tricks and simple fixes that can breathe life back into your quartz companion. From battery replacements to moisture emergencies, we'll break down the steps so you can confidently approach minor watch repairs. Remember, a little knowledge goes a long way, and soon, you'll be marveling at your handiwork as your quartz watch ticks back to life. So, grab your tools, or a toothpick at the very least, and let's demystify the world of quartz watch repair. You might be surprised at what you can achieve with a little guidance and a can-do attitude. Let's get started. The most common quartz watch ailment? A dead battery, of course. Luckily, this is usually a simple fix. Before you start though, you'll need a few things. The correct replacement battery, check your watch's manual or the back case for the battery number. A small flathead screwdriver and a soft cloth. First, locate the battery hatch on the back of your watch case. It's usually a small circular plate secured with screws. Use your screwdriver to carefully loosen these screws, placing them somewhere safe so they don't roll away. With the screws removed, gently pry open the battery hatch. You might need to use a plastic tool or the edge of your fingernail to get under the lip of the hatch. Once open, take note of the battery's position and polarity, plus// markings, before removing it. Insert the new battery, ensuring the polarity matches the original placement. Press it firmly into place. Replace the battery hatch and carefully tighten the screws, being careful not to over-tighten. Voila, your watch should be ticking again. Finding condensation under your watch crystal? Don't panic. Moisture inside a quartz watch is a common issue, especially if you've worn it swimming. Not recommended unless it's a designated diver's watch. Here's how to dry it out. First, try the easiest method, uncooked rice. Fill a small airtight container with uncooked rice and bury your watch face down in the rice. Seal the container and leave it undisturbed for 24-48 hours. The rice acts as a desiccant, absorbing moisture from the air and hopefully, from your watch. If the rice method doesn't do the trick, you can try a slightly more involved approach, silica gel packets. Collect those little packets you often find in shoeboxes and electronics packaging. Place your watch and a handful of these packets in an airtight container for a couple of days. Silica gel is even more effective at absorbing moisture than rice. Once you've attempted these drying methods, check your watch for remaining condensation. If it's gone, great. If not, it's time to seek professional help. Prolonged moisture exposure can damage the delicate internal components of your watch, so it's best to err on the side of caution. Section 5. Movement Mysteries. A glimpse inside. The heart of any watch is its movement, and quartz watches are no exception. While we don't recommend disassembling the movement itself, unless you're a seasoned watchmaker, you can take a peek inside to identify potential issues. First, you'll need to remove the back case of your watch. Use the same technique as for replacing the battery. Locate the screws on the back, carefully unscrew them, and gently pry open the case. With the case open, you'll see the quartz movement, a small, intricate assembly of gears, circuits, and a battery. Look for anything obviously out of place, loose screws, debris, or signs of corrosion. If you spot anything amiss, it's best to consult a professional. Sometimes a simple cleaning can resolve minor movement issues. Use a soft bristled brush or a can of compressed air, held at a safe distance, to gently remove dust and debris from the movement. Avoid using liquids or harsh chemicals, as these can damage the delicate components. Remember, while it's fascinating to examine the inner workings of your watch, it's best to leave complex repairs to the experts. If you're unsure about anything you see, consult a qualified watchmaker for assistance. Section 6. Tools of the Trade. Your watch repair starter kit. Ready to tackle some basic quartz watch repairs? Having the right tools can make all the difference. Don't worry, you don't need a professional watchmaker's bench to get started. Here are a few essentials to add to your DIY arsenal. A set of precision screwdrivers. Invest in a set with a variety of small flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers. Look for sets specifically designed for watch repair, as they'll have the appropriate size and shape for those tiny screws. A case back opener. These handy tools come in various shapes and sizes, designed to help you safely pry open stubborn watch case backs without damaging the watch. A set of tweezers. Opt for fine-tipped tweezers with good grip, perfect for handling small watch parts like batteries, screws, and spring bars. A loupe or magnifying glass, essential for inspecting tiny watch components and identifying potential issues. A soft, bristled brush and compressed air, ideal for gently removing dust and debris from the watch movement and case. These basic tools will equip you for most common quartz watch repairs. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can expand your toolkit with more specialized instruments. Section 7. Beyond DIY, recognizing when to call in the cavalry. While DIY watch repair can be satisfying and economical, there are times when it's best to leave it to the professionals. Recognizing your limitations and knowing when to seek help is crucial to prevent further damage to your precious timepiece. If you encounter any of the following situations, resist the urge to tinker further and consult a qualified watchmaker. Water damage. While we discussed basic drying techniques, serious water damage requires professional attention. A watchmaker can disassemble the watch, assess the extent of the damage, and replace damaged components. Broken or damaged parts. Replacing a watch crystal, crown, or other broken parts is best left to the experts. These repairs often require specialized tools and knowledge. Movement malfunctions. If your watch is losing or gaining significant time, stopping intermittently, or exhibiting other movement-related issues, it's time to call in a professional. Remember, attempting complex repairs without the proper skills and equipment can worsen the problem and potentially ruin your watch. Section 8. Keeping time ticking, preventative care tips. Just like any other machine, your quartz watch will benefit from regular care and maintenance. By following these simple tips, you can extend the life of your timepiece and prevent many common issues. Battery changes. Don't wait for your battery to die completely. Replace it every 1 to 2 years, or as recommended by the manufacturer, to avoid potential damage from battery leakage. Keep it clean. Regularly wipe down your watch with a soft, dry cloth to remove dirt, sweat, and other debris. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners. Mind the magnets. Strong magnetic fields can interfere with the accuracy of quartz watches. Keep your watch away from speakers, refrigerators, and other magnetic objects. Storage matters. When not in use, store your watch in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Consider using a watch box or pouch for added protection. Regular checkups. Just like visiting the doctor for checkups, consider having your watch serviced by a professional watchmaker every few years. They can inspect for wear and tear, clean the movement, and ensure everything is in good working order. Section 9. Conclusion: mastering your quartz companion. Quartz watches, with their reputation for reliability, can still present us with the occasional puzzle. But armed with a little knowledge and a dash of DIY spirit, you can confidently tackle common quartz watch issues and keep your trusty timepiece ticking for years to come. From simple battery swaps to drying out moisture mishaps, we've explored practical solutions to empower you in the realm of watch repair. Remember those essential tools, know your limits, and don't hesitate to call in the cavalry when needed. So the next time your quartz watch throws you a curveball, don't despair. Embrace the opportunity to learn, experiment, and perhaps even surprise yourself with your newfound watch repair prowess. After all, there's a unique satisfaction in knowing you have the skills to keep time on your side